I felt that the best way to solve this problem was to draw a diagram. I started with this diagram, but then I ran out of room, so I then drew a new diagram. I started with the compass just to show that I started going north. So I drew a little guy and I drew a dot at the corner to show that's where I started, so I didn't get confused where I needed to turn as I went on. So the first thing told us to go straight 2 blocks north, 1, 2. And then it told us to turn left. So then I turned my paper as if I was turning left, and I went 1 block. Put a point to know that's where I stopped. The next told us to turn right. So I turned my paper as if I was facing this way, and so turn right. So I turned my paper right, so as if I was going forward. Then it told us to go straight for 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Point where we stopped. The next told us to turn to the right, so I turned my paper as if I turned right, and I went for 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I put another point to show that I needed to stop there. The next instruction told us to turn right again and go for 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. So I put a point, I needed to stop. And then I turned my paper as if I turned left, and I went 1 block. Then the instructions told us to turn right, so I turned to the right and went 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next told us to turn to the left and go 2 blocks. 1, 2. And then turn left again, so that was really important that I turned my paper so I knew which way I was going. 1 block left, and then it told us to turn left again, so we just went in a circle almost and go 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it told us we were at Burger Joint. And then I looked at my diagram, highlighting the whole way so that I could see the path that I took. And I looked and I saw that if he started in the same spot that Larry Longway told him, if he turned to face east, so turn to your right, he went 2 blocks straight, 1, 2, and then turned right and went 1 block, he would be at Burger Jack, and he would have been there before it closed. So my final answer was turn right, go 2 blocks straight, turn right, go 1 block, and you're at Burger Jack.